Assessment 2. Researching with people. How to improve the inclusiveness of daily products packaging by adding Braille to solve the pain points of special groups. Introduction. To further study on the challenge statement, how to improve the inclusiveness of daily products packaging by adding Braille to solve the pain points of special groups. Researching with people is the next step, which collect user experience, data, and their needs for better understanding and development the challenge statement. Braille on packaging provide an effective assistance for visually impaired to perceive and identify the products, which need to be considered in packaging design. In undertaking the challenge statement, 2 design research tools, including interview and think aloud, are chosen to discover Braille on daily products packaging. To discover the solutions of involved challenge statement by interview and think aloud, there are 5 participants are invited, including a director of visually impaired school, a family member of visually impaired, an accessible packaging design member, and 2 target users. Those groups of interviewees are involved stakeholders of the design development, which including the members of both affected and affected by design solutions and developments involved. Let's move on to the first design research tool, interview. Interview as an effective research method helps to collect user needs, desires, and pain points for further design research. In this study, interviews mentioned above will be divided into 2 groups and require answer different interview questions respectively. The questions for visually disabled user including the user experience, Braille coverage on daily products design, ability to distinguish, readability, and comprehension. Both Vincent and Amy have ability to read and understand Braille, which provide researchers and designers with evaluation of practicability of Braille in packaging as well as the direction of further solve the challenge statement. The interview questions for packaging designer and individuals concerned, including both visual and tactile on packaging design, also the behavior of visually disabled they observed, as well as the user experience on packaging they received. The second research tool for this study is Think Aloud. All participants are required to narrate the experience of distinguish the products and open the packaging. The research products are purchased in market including food, beverage, medical products, and skincare products. This design research tool is effective to discover the pain points which researchers are not found, to achieve the goal of improve the design of Braille on packaging according to users' requirements. There are 4 products including Braille on packaging in total of 10 products. All participants need to distinguish and open the packaging and discover whether the information given on the packaging can bring effective assistance to the visual lost group use the product independently. There are 5 key findings of this research. Key finding 1. Factors affecting the readability of Braille on packaging. The packaging material has directly influenced the readability of Braille on packaging. The result of thinking aloud shows Braille is legible on smooth material and surface. Amy mentioned that Braille on smooth packaging surface would not disrupt the accuracy of reading compared with those material with rest texture. Those packaging with polypropylene films and plastic bags, such as puffed food packaging, are not including Braille. The material is not suitable for manufacturing and reading Braille due to the material is unstable and easily deformed. Key finding 2. Comprehensibility. Amy highlights that the Braille on medical products packaging is readable. However, the function and dose are not included. This requires the accessible consumer has experience on medicine usage. Also, it will be dangerous in incorrect take due to no prompt. Braille on packaging should include important information, which will improve the possibility of independent living for the visually disabled. Both Chen and Yang mentioned that most of the packaging on markets are not including significant information, such as production date. Braille on packaging with a single product name are not understandable. The requirements of ability of consumers should be decreased to reach the accessible packaging. Key finding 3. Coverage area of Braille. Most of interviewees mentions that Braille coverage area are not comprehensive on market. Packaging with Braille can be seen on medical products, healthcare products, and skincare products. However, Braille is hard to find on daily food and drinks packaging. With the popularization of accessible design concepts, Braille should be covered on more comprehensive areas. In addition, Braille should be covered on both inside and outer packaging, which would bring convenience for the visually disabled group to storage and use. Key finding 4. Touch probes for specific items. Lin proposed that the specific products, including touch probes, on their packaging would help visually disabled. The products including milk, alcohol, and allergic food should have strong touch probes, such as a notch on top of the milk box, which provides target users an obvious signal. The user experience of touching conveniently then distinguish products meets the concept of design for people. Key finding 5. Accessibility design will have a positive impact on the brand. Yang highlights that user feedback shows most of their consumers have positive attitude towards their accessible design concept, which helps to improve the brand recognition on market. The increasing number of consumers understand the concept of accessible design, and the brand that provides special groups with effective help are more likely to be approved by consumers. Also, Chen proposed similar response with Yang. Those who provide service to the special group and the families of patients would pay more attention to accessible designs. Visually disabled individuals want to be independent with the help of Braille on products and packaging, which will make them more optimistic. The process of researching with people assignment can be summarized in 4 stages. The design researching tools used in this study are interview and think aloud. The first stage is find the suitable participants for this research, including the target user and individuals around them. These 2 groups of participants provide first and third perspectives on the practical use of Braille on accessible packaging. The second stage is prepare 2 sets of questions for visually disabled users and individuals concerned based on the status of Braille application on packaging in the market and the desired effect. The second stage is according to the objective of this research. Think Aloud is selected as the second design researching tool to solve the challenge statement. Then decide the activity and prepare products for that. The last stage is analyze data collected from interview and think aloud, summarize them into key findings. There are 3 unexpected challenges which I meet in my research process. The first one is find interviewees, and the second one is contact with packaging design member, and the last one is purchase products for Think Aloud activity. When I purchased the products for Think Aloud activity, I found it's hard to find products with Braille on the packaging. Then I researched online and found some company use Braille on their packaging and purchase them on market. However, Braille on food packaging is still not found yet. Here are the reference and 2 sets of interview questions. Thanks for watching.